Hello editors, welcome back to channel. So today I'm going to make an After Effects like text animation on CapCut. So if you want to know how exactly you can do this, then stick around till the end of the video. Preview.
Are you Thor, the god of hammers?
If you are new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all yours.
Now open Pixel Lab. This app used to edit font and pictures.
If you can't let it go,
Follow my steps.
what's going on? And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess
Save this text into your gallery.
But if you don't wanna tell
Now come back to CapCut and add the text.
me, no. Now make a new project for this question mark effect.